On movie marathon night, you find it hard to get through the last movie. This isn't going to cut it.
You sure make good coffee.
You have your three options here, your three drinks, and now I'm going to show you how to make them. The caffeine-free Carol Ann cocktail, the Beast red tea, and Dr. Lesch's flask.
Whispers in the night here to stay. Puppets dance, they sway and sway.
First, we're starting out with the caffeine-free option, the Carol Ann cocktail. Good for your stomach, even the kids can indulge in for late night viewing, and it's a healthy choice. This is a blend of sparkling water, ginger, and coconut. Grab your coconut and crack it open as easy as possible, then pour the coconut into your blender. Next, add your ginger and raspberry sweetener.
In the shadows deep. Tick tock, clock, clock.
Once your contents are all in the glass, top it off with a little bit of sparkling water. Once the seltzer water is added, drizzle a little bit of raspberry syrup for added flavor.
Welcome to the ear.
To Carol Ann. Caffeine free. Now we go for the next option. Wouldn't we all like to know what was in Dr. Lesch's flask? Let's find out.
Would you like a glass for that? No, thank you.
Brew a cup or two of black coffee. Give it about 10-15 minutes to cool down and then add some ice. Now that our coffee is cooled, we add some ice. Now we add 3 ounces of Kahlua. And now a splash of brandy over the top. For my taste, it's sweet enough, but for those who want it sweeter, add some stevia. In true Dr. Lesch fashion, let's fill the flask.
Tick tock, clock. They all chime. Time slips through like silent rhyme.
Once the contents of the glass are poured in the flask, the concoction is mixed. The Beast iced tea packs a punch late night, especially for you tea lovers. Once the water boils, transfer it into a clear glass. Gently drop the tea bags into warm water and let it seep for a few minutes. You're going to want to plunge the tea bags several times.
You are never quite alone.
A touch of ginger. Add 2 teaspoons of monk fruit to sweeten. Add a few drops of this pink colored gel. Fill the dropper with the sweetener. Watch the colors streak down the glass, making an otherworldly illusion.
Moonlight flickers, shadows play.
Here are our 3 drinks, and this is my personal favorite.
To stay. Puppets dance, they sway and sway.
You can choose to garnish the beverages, however we keep it simple on these 3.
Can't choose between life and death when we're dealing with what is in between.
So, guys, try them at home, see what you come up with, and leave comments for us in the comments section.